These are the GVM1000D RGB LED panels, and today we are going to make an unboxing, in-depth review, understand all the specs and features about these lights, and get to understanding if these LED panels are made for your production. GVM asked me if they can send these lights, and I said yes, but I will be making an unbiased review and actually saying what I think about this light. And they said yes, so we are going straight to the review. You get this system presented in a really amazing social case that contains a ton of accessories. Opening the bag, you will be presented by an additional soft mesh bags containing two GVM 1000D LED panels. This is the version that I got, two GVM LED panels inside. Under it, you'll find two light stands also in separate sling bags, two small softboxes, girts, and the dispersion white cloth. Under it, finally, the power cables to have the system powered through a wall power. Actually, a really amazing set. These light stands are really great with a really good height and with a wide base, so perfectly match this system for any studio scenario. The GVM RGB LED panels are built with a combination of aluminum alloy and plastic, with plastic bar norms in the front. On the back side of the RGB light, you will find the complete control layout with two knobs and three buttons to control this light. To power this light, you can also use Sony style MPF batteries, and you will need two of them. Depending on your battery size, it could last you a good amount of time. This is a 45 watts rated panel, so make your math and do your math to understand how much the battery will last when using them in full power. The color rendering index is rated at 97 CRI, with the color CCT temperature from 3200 kelvins up to 5600 kelvins. You are also able to control the full HSI 300 scale on it. The brightness of this light is rated at 5000 lux at 1 meter distance. The two control knobs on the back are really intuitive, and the whole system is really greatly laid out. The brightness is enhanced by 1% steps, from 0 to 100. The other knob is used when pressing the switch between CCT, hue and saturation. The light have also 12 channels that you can configure when connecting to other lights. The panel can be also operated to be a master or slave when connecting to other multiple lights, so you can have just one controlling the others. Long pressing the right knob, you will be able also to control some of the preset scenes with the light effects. The Bluetooth app works amazingly great, and you will have all the scenes laid out. Lightning, cop car, candle, TV, bed bulb, party, disco, paparazzi with brightness adjustment. You will be able to choose in the app also the CCT, HSI and scene, creating a dedicated specified scene. If you want to use the dedicated softbox, you will have to unscrew these plastic barn doors and then attach your softbox just like that, and you will have an amazing small softbox to start with. This panel with the softbox is really compact and it can be really used anywhere. In my production, I will see this system mainly as my key secondary light in front and actually a great soft backlight from behind. Actually, I would use both of them as my backlight situations. But yes, you can actually use them in very different ways, and depending on the studio size and what you want to achieve, you can actually use them as main key lights. They can be also your main effect RGB lights for your bigger productions. I think that the design is really great when carrying social case that have all the necessary to start filming and illuminating your object of filming. What's amazing about this system is that you can get all of this just for $338, and you get all the barn doors, softbox, light stands, power cord, cables and LED panels, and you are ready to start with just this set. So you don't need to buy separate things like light stands for another manufacturer or actually add it to this package. And this is your situation and makes you start filming right away. Maybe one downside is when you are entering the effects mode, you really don't know what effect you are in, because it's showing just your scene number, but you can figure it out just rotating it and visually getting the desired scene. Or actually use the smartphone app where you have all the effects pleasantly laid out. The complete weight with two panels, light stands and all accessories is 4 kilos, so it will be really great if you like to pack small. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, I will be happy to answer all of them. Until my next one, thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with the bearing icon to get notified every time I make a new video, and see you on my next one.